Hey, this is Mr. Wharton. I'm going to talk a little bit about what do I mean by this prompt. Use the pattern of quadratics to identify the 3 points to the right and left of the vertex as x goes up or down in steps of 1. So we're now going to be using it for one where the lead coefficient isn't 1. So we're going to have to deal with that. So first of all, we've got to find the vertex. And to find the vertex, I've got one similar to this where I've got 4x squared plus 40x minus 1. So to find the vertex, I'm going to use the lead coefficient as a and the this linear coefficient, the middle coefficient, as b. This last one we would call c, but that's for later. So I'm going to replace b with 40, and I'm going to replace a with 4. And so that's going to end up being 40 over 8, but it's negative. Negative 40 over 8 will be negative 5. And now I know my x value for my quadratics vertex, and I need to use that as an input into the function to figure out what the y value for the vertex is going to be. So wherever x is, I'm going to replace it with negative 5. So that x became a negative 5, and that x became a negative 5. And I get negative 101. So I've got a vertex at negative 5, negative 101. Now, what I need to do, so I'm going to actually zoom out so you can see that. Okay. Oops, I got to turn off some stuff. Turn that one off there. Okay. So we've got this here. We're going to get down to this point here. Turn that off. So this is the vertex for my parabola. I'll zoom in a little bit. And I need to find 3 points on either side of that point that will fit the pattern. Now, the pattern normally is +1, then +3, then +5, then +7 as we go. It's a steps by odd numbers. But since this lead coefficient is 4, we have to quadruple that. So I'm going to have negative 4 here. And instead of going up by 1 from negative 1 to 1, I'm going to go up 4 times 1. Okay, so that's going to be up 4 from negative 101, so it'll be negative 97. Okay, and then I'll go to negative 3 for x. That's one step more to the right. And now instead of going up 3, I'm going to go up 3 times 4 because of that lead coefficient. So 4 times 3 is going to be 12. So up 12 from negative 97 will be to negative 85. And we can't see that. I'll scroll up so we can see it. I'll zoom out just a hair so that the next one will be visible. And then I need one more, negative 2, comma, and I'm going to go up, instead of 3 times 4, I'm going to go up 5 times 4. So because times 4 is because this is a quadrupling thing happening here. So up 5 times 4 is going to be up 20 from negative 85, so it'll be up to negative 65. And there we go. We've got that side. Now let's go to the other side of this. Okay. I'll go ahead and that'll be a negative 6. And it's going to mirror the negative 97. Okay. And then we'll have another one here. And that's going to be at negative 7. And that's going to mirror the negative 85 we had. And then the last one will be going up by 20. So that'll be at negative 8, comma, negative 65. And we have plotted some points on this parabola. I'll turn it on so you can see that it matches. All right, hopefully that helped clarify that. I'll do one more when the situation is negative in some way.